Let us begin our journey of Vedic math with lesson 1 that says, God has given us Vedas. Vedas means fountain of knowledge. Earth Veda is one of them, which gives us Vedic math. It is the tip of iceberg of knowledge. Be thankful to God. Lesson 2, Counting. Now look at the notations here. Here we have Hindi digits from 1 to 10 and English digits from 1 to 10. None of the Hindi digits can be changed to other digits without deforming, while it is well known to many how the English digits can be easily manipulated with one stroke of a pen. For example, 3 can be changed to 8. Or 7 can be changed to 4 or 9. So it is the beauty of Hindi digits which have been thoughtfully created. God has given us 10 fingers to count up to 10. So here is the hand and you see we can count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And you just notice here that 0 is formed by joining thumb and your adjacent finger. God has made our hands and fingers in such a way that we can count up to 30. Here you see a hand with numbers from 1 to 30 on fingers. So in one hand you can count up to 1 to 15 and in another hand 16 to 30. So altogether you can count from 1 to 30. If we have to add up to 30, we need to go forward. And if we have to subtract up to 30, we go backward. So we can say that God has fully taken care of our initial math in our body. Lesson 3, Table of 9. Let us learn 9 times table using our both hands. I want all of you to open your hands with palm facing you. From left side, that is your left thumb, you name your fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let us do 9 times 1. So when you do 9 times 1, you will fold your finger 1. So your finger 1 is the left thumb. So fold your left thumb, that is your finger 1. And then you count how many fingers are to the right as well as to the left of the folded finger. So here you have folded the finger, there are no fingers to the left. Count how many fingers are to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 1 is 9. Let's do 9 times 2. When you do 9 times 2, you have to fold your finger 2 of your left hand. So your finger 2 is this. Index finger is your finger 2. So fold finger number 2. And then count the number of fingers to the right as well as to the left of the folded finger. The remaining finger to the left of the folded finger gives the 10th digit and the remaining fingers to the right of the folded finger gives the unit place. So 9 times 2, how many fingers are to the left here? 1. So write 1 at the 10th place. How many fingers are to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 8 at the unit place. So 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3. So when you do 9 times 3, you fold your finger number 3. Look in the picture. Here, this is your finger 3. So you fold finger number 3 and you count the remaining fingers to the right as well as to the left. So how many fingers are to the left of this folded finger? 1, 2. So write 2 at the 10th place. How many fingers are to the right of the folded finger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 times 3 is 27. So 2 here and 7 to the right side of the folded finger. So 9 times 3 is 27. Let's see, we do 9 times 4. When you do 9 times 4, you have to fold your finger number 4. So you see in the picture, this is your finger number 4. And then count how many fingers are to the right and to the left of the folded finger. So you see 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are to the left of the folded finger. So write 3 here at the tens place. And how many fingers are to the right of the folded finger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 at the unit place. 9 times 4 is 36. 3 here and 6 to the right. So 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5, you fold your finger number 5. And then how many fingers are to the left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here in the tens place. And how many fingers to the right of the folded finger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 here. 9 times 5 is 45. 4 and 5, 45. 9 times 6, you close your finger number 6. So this is your finger number 6 in the picture. Just fold it and count how many fingers are to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 times 6 is 54. So 5 here to the left, 4 to the right. That is 54. 9 times 7, fold your finger number 7. And how many fingers to the left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 here at the tens place. How many fingers to the right? 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here at the unit place. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8, you fold your finger number 8. And then you count how many fingers to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7 at the tens place. How many fingers to the right of the folded finger? 1, 2. So write 2 at the unit place. 9 times 8 is 72. 7 here and 2 to the right. 9 times 9, fold your finger number 9 and count how many fingers are to the left and the right of the folded finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8 here at the tens place. How many fingers are to the right of the folded finger? Only 1. So just write 1. So 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 10. When you do 9 times 10, you have to fold your finger number 10. So when you fold your finger number 10, that is your right thumb. So how many fingers are to the left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write 9 here at the tens place. How many fingers are to the right of the folded finger? There is no finger to the right of the folded finger. So write 0. So 9 times 10 is 90. So that's how you can do table of 9 using your both hands. Here I will show you how you can write the table of 9. So for example, if it is 9 times 1, 9 times 1 is 9. You all know that any number multiplied by 1 is 9. Alright. So what you do basically here is this 1, you subtract 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So in 0, how much you add to make it 9? 0 plus 9 is 9. Let's do 9 times 2. So when you do 9 times 2, you subtract 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And then in 1, how much you add to make it 9? That is 8. So you see that 1 plus 8 is 9. Next, 9 times 3. In 3, you subtract 1. So 3 minus 1, you get 2. So in 2, how much you add to make it 9? 7. So 9 times 3 is 27. Same you do 9 times 4. You do 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So in 3, how much you add to make it 9? 6. So 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5, you do 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. And then in 4, how much you add to make it 9? You add 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 times 6, you do 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. And you do 9 minus 5, or you can do like how much you add in 5 to make it 9, that is 4. So 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7, 7 minus 1 is 6. And then you do 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 is 3. So 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8, you do 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. And then you do how much you add in 7 to make it 9? 2. So 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9, so again you do 9 minus 1 is 8, and in 8 how much you add to make it 9? 1. So 9 times 9 is 81, and 9 times 10 is 90. So this is a very simple way you can write the table of 9. Thank you.